Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to send money using Wells Fargo's person-to-person payment service, which is Zelle. Now let's get straight into the video. First of all, there are some requirements to doing this. The first is you must have a Wells Fargo's checkings or savings account. The second is that you must be enrolled in Wells Fargo's online or mobile banking, and then you'll need the recipient's email address or phone number to perform this. Now, for sending money with Zelle, how you want to do that is to access your accounts online or through the mobile app. That's Wells Fargo's mobile app, and then just choose the Send Money with Zelle option. And then you just want to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, and of course you need to enter the amount that you want to send them. And you could add a memo, that's up to you if you want to do that, just to let them know what the money is for, and just review the transaction details and confirm the payments to send money. Now, for receiving money with Zelle, you're gonna need a recipient. The recipient is gonna receive notifications, so they'll receive a notification via email or text message, and then recipient enrolls with Zelle if necessary. So if the recipient isn't already enrolled with Zelle, they will need to enroll to receive the payment, and the payment will be deposited directly into the recipient's bank account once it is sent. Now, there are a couple of limits and timing with Zelle. First is the daily limit, so you're gonna need to check with Wells Fargo for daily spending limits, daily sending limits. There's also payment timing, so payments are typically sent within minutes, but may take up to 1 to 2 business days at times. So if you don't receive it immediately or within a few minutes, just chill for 1 to 2 business days. If you haven't received it by then you might need to contact the customer service to help you out with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to send money with using Wells Fargo's person-to-person payment service. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.